Hello, ma'am, sir. My name is Catherine Caderes. I am 29 years old. With live-in partner, no kids. My height is 161 centimeter. I am college graduate as business administration. I have work experience here in the Philippines as local housemaid for 3 years and 5 months. I serve 4 members in the family, two, two two adults, two kids, 3 years old and 5 years old, and also one small dog and one cat. My duties includes all around household chores like preparing breakfast for the family, take kids to school, cleaning, marketing, cooking, laundry, and ironing. My preferred duties are preparing foods for the family, laundry, cleaning, marketing, cooking, and ironing. I I am willing to prepare Chinese food. I am willing to take care kids and healthy elders. I am also willing to take care pets like small dog and cat. I I can work without supervision. I know how to sing a lullaby like Baba Black Sheep. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane. I hope you will choose me because I will do my best to get my job done. I hope to see you soon. Once again, my name is Catherine Coderes. Thank you so much.